Tips for reclaiming your personal freedom today. Have you ever woken up and wondered how you ended up with this life of yours? Do you feel stuck in the rut of the same routine day after day, week after week, year in, year out? Maybe you feel trapped by obligations, debt, by other people's expectations. If you want to get off the hamster wheel, you can. Here are 5 tips for reclaiming your personal freedom today. 1. Stop beating yourself up. Feeling dissatisfied is hardwired into us as humans. If humans as a species were content with the status quo, we would have died out long ago. It's in our genes to keep adapting and overcoming challenges. So don't blame yourself if that dissatisfaction comes out in a modern human being as wanting to go out and spend. On the other hand, thinking and strategizing also kept us going on the evolutionary path, so you can outsmart those spending impulses or give in to them. Your choice. 2. Stop comparing your life with others. It used to be called keeping up with the Joneses. Now it's looking at other people's seemingly perfect lives on social media. Everyone shows the best possible version of themselves to the world. No one takes selfies of their failures, their bad hair days, their overdrawn bank account. Free yourself from comparisonitis by stepping out of the competition and focus on living your life your way. 3. Appreciate what you have. Discontent feeds on wanting something different. Take a look around you and count 5 things you're grateful for in your life right now. Then 5 more. Once you start, you'll find dozens of things in your life that are wonderful and life-affirming. To be happy with what you have in the present sets you up to receive even more in the future. 4. Become a more conscious spender. It's easy to fritter your money away on things that don't make you happy or help you meet your goals. Before you buy anything, take a moment to consider why you want it. Do you need it? How will it improve your life? Is it worth the money? Are you spending to meet an emotional need? Test your purchasing against these questions before you hand over your cash. 5. Live your best life. Do you find yourself envying other people or wishing things were different? Take action. If you want to live a more authentic life, go ahead and do it. Work out what you want. Make a plan and give it your best shot.